Each day, we breathe up to 40 cubic meters of air. Most of the day is spent indoors, breathing indoor air. An essential part of the renewal of clean and fresh air is that air, once used, can be removed efficiently. The air to be breathed may contain various gas type and particle type impurities. Therefore, efficient ventilation is of crucial importance for the building's indoor air. The purpose of the ventilation is to bring clean air to the premises, to remove impurities, and to recover the extract air heat that can still be utilized. At the same time, it helps produce savings on energy and heating costs. In addition to ventilation solutions, the building's indoor climate is affected by the location of the building, the method of construction, the building materials, its usage, and weather conditions. Surrounding traffic and industry can also place a burden on the indoor air. Unclean indoor air can expose one to allergies, irritation symptoms, and lung disease. Similarly, good indoor air reduces sickness, adds comfort, and contributes to a better handling of stress. The quality of the indoor air influences both health and the economy. Through well-functioning ventilation, high indoor air quality can be maintained. With mechanical ventilation, the supply of fresh air and the removal of unclean air is managed in a controlled manner throughout the building. The ventilation ducts that belong to the supply and extract ventilation system distribute the fresh air, after filtering out any impurities, evenly throughout the building, while efficiently removing the used air. The ventilation device includes the required fans, but also the equipment for recovering the heat. Ensto's mechanical ventilation is just as suitable for new buildings as for old ones. The mechanical ventilation can be used to manage the freshness and temperature of the air, but also other factors of indoor air, such as humidity and carbon dioxide levels. Any extra humidity that could otherwise end up in the structures and cause moisture damage is removed from the building in a controlled manner. Therefore, mechanical ventilation is important for the building, and it helps to maintain the property's value in the future. One of the undeniable benefits of mechanical supply and exhaust ventilation is its ability to recover heat. Heat is recovered from the air to be blown out and then returned with the supply air. With the ventilation system, less energy is wasted. The heat can be recovered in several ways. Enervent ventilation devices perform the heat recovery by using a rotating heat exchanger. It helps to transfer the heat or cooling in the indoor air back into the supply air. The rotating heat exchanger is a regenerative, heat-storing unit at the heart of the home, ensuring energy savings for the whole building. The rotating heat exchanger consists of a round cell-type disc rotating slowly between the supply and exhaust air. The cells of the heat exchanger store heat from the extract air, which is transferred back into the supply air by the rotation of the heat exchanger cells. The air currents flow in the opposite direction from the cells. The temperature efficiency of the rotating heat exchanger is extremely high, which means that most of the extract air's heat can be recovered. The rotating heat exchanger can also be used for heat recovery when the outdoor air temperature is higher than the extract air temperature. During winter, when the relative humidity of indoor air is often low, the rotating heat exchanger returns some of the extract air's humidity back to the supply air. It is truly a marvel how the ventilation ducts can be used to influence the indoor climate of the whole building. Utilizing this characteristic of the building for heating and cooling yields great benefits. Enervent has developed its ventilation equipment to a new level and uses an integrated heat pump that allows heat and cooling to be distributed evenly throughout the building, silently, discreetly, and efficiently. The pleasantness of the building is created by its indoor air, and with Ensto Enervent, good indoor air is guaranteed.